Sejal Gunaratnam and Divya Maka are best friends who share lots of laughs.
Yeah.
But something else that brings these 11-year-olds joy is the friendships they have with kids halfway around the world.
Hi.
Today they're Skyping with kids at Grace Care Center in northeast Sri Lanka. It's an orphanage for 50 girls. It's also home to 50 destitute seniors who've survived years of civil war.
My dad is from Sri Lanka and he also helps run the orphanage. We helped raise money for them. I want to see them have a good life. When they're older, they can have good jobs and not be any different than us.
And that's the goal of the nonprofit organization based in Ypsilanti that runs Grace Care Center. It's called Veyahatva.
All it means is you shall love others as you love yourself.
In 2004, James Mitchell was a reporter for the South Lion Herald. Following the tsunami, he went to Sri Lanka on assignment, but then he visited Grace Care Center and saw these faces and heard their stories.
Some of the children at Grace had been child soldiers, drafted in at ages as young as 11. This one elderly woman told me of the day the men in uniforms beheaded her son, 10-year-old.
Simply telling their stories was no longer enough. Since that first visit to Grace, Mitchell has returned 7 times as a volunteer. He's now president of Veyahatva.
100 people are housed, fed, educated, and have their medical needs addressed. And we do that for about $6,000 a month.
Sejal and Divya have even raised money by selling lemonade, anything they can do to help their friends.
Ramya, I think, lost both her parents, and then she's a little bit older than me, but she likes to do a lot of stuff that I like to do, and I really got connected to her.
And as they stay connected with their friends, they hope others will join their efforts.
It would really give joy to them, and it will help them rebuild their life.
In Ann Arbor, Anu Prakash, Channel 7 Action News.